How to use NFL Sunday Ticket Fantasy View. Fantasy View is a feature in NFL Sunday Ticket that integrates your fantasy football roster with your live NFL Sunday Ticket stream. It highlights when your fantasy players are on the field and shows their stats in real time. To use it, firstly you will need to log in with your NFL Sunday Ticket credentials. You can use the app or the website. Now go to the Fantasy View sections. Now here you will need to link your fantasy football account. For that you will need to sign in with your fantasy platform. Fantasy platform means Yahoo, ESPN, NFL.com or CBS. Now choose your team or your roster. Select the fantasy team you want to track. Now you can watch within your fantasy view overlay. By this, you will be watching your players' highlights, live fantasy points and stats, quick updates when they score or make big plays. For this, you can also customize your notifications. Along with that, you can also switch between regular view and fantasy view. So that's all for today. Thank you.